When you are an ambiguously ethnic minority like myself, when you are beige, brown, or mauve, be aware of two people, cops and robbers at night. Because nobody knows who exactly you are, but everybody is making assumptions. Good evening, Honorable Judge, opposing counsel, members of the jury. My name is Tariq Fahmi, and I'm here representing the defendant in this case, Mrs. Karen Cross. This story is about a devout teacher, an obsessed student, and assumptions. We're here today because assumptions have been made by the government. Assumptions that led them to label two people, one as a victim and another as a guilty person, without even having a shred of evidence. Who is Mrs. Karen Craig? She is an educator, she's a married woman, a law-abiding person, a loving person that devoted her life for teaching special education students. We know that the job is not really the best job ever to have financial-wise, but the reward of getting that job is seeing those students grow and prosper. The story starts when Ms. Cross met with the special ed student who's the complainant in this case, Craig Jones. They developed a relationship, a teacher-student relationship. This relationship was all about small talks in the beginning, about Craig's obsession with cars, who was obviously obsessed with cars. And Ms. Cross shared this obsession with him, and she was a good listener to his obsession. He started building a trust bond with his teacher, and this bond grew and grew, to the extent that he told her his private secrets of his personal life. He confessed to her that he has trust issues with his parents, with his friends. He didn't really have a close friend. And she was a good listener. She listened to him. He trusted her and she trusted him. They built this great relationship. But looks like Craig was not only obsessed with cars. He had another kind of obsession, and that obsession was about his teacher. He liked Miss Karen to the extent that he confessed to Miss May, the other teacher in the classroom, that he had a crush on her. He thinks she's hot. Unaware of all of those facts, Miss Cross drove him to her house to show him the Corvette of her husband and show him around her house. She thought that by doing so, she is doing him a favor. She is building a stronger bond. He came to the house. He checked out the Corvette. He had good time. But when he was inside the house, sitting on the couch with her, he made his move on her. He made the approach, trying to kiss her. And when she rejected him, he started being outraged. Suddenly, he felt so bad about it and started spreading rumors about her trying to rape him. We're here today because this student, actually, who confessed that he was concerned about his girlfriend getting pregnant to Miss Cross, is actually suing Miss Cross and trying to condemn her for sexual assault. The burden is on the state, beyond a reasonable doubt, to prove the facts of this case, and this is the highest burden. We're here for a reason, that you listen out to both sides when they take the stand, and let the truth come to the table, and the justice come to the table. Because if you have any reasonable doubt, you'll definitely find my client not guilty. Thank you.
Thank you.